Got it.
Mahalo. Gift exchange. No, just gift.
Just a gift giving. This is Austin H.
So it's a series of gifts, and he's gonna start with the first two right there.
Me amo es Austin. Me. What's up? What's going on?
Okay, so show him which gifts are his.
Yeah, those first two.
Yeah. So, right there on the front, right there, yep.
These two.
Yeah. You get a guess first? From Alex V.
He's gonna wrap this.
Someone did a nice wrapping job, didn't they?
Now that is cute.
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Pink and the jewels?
Thoughtful, right? Very
I know,
thoughtful.
that's only gift one.
That's only.
That's only gift one, dude.
Oh man. Oh, dog food?
No,
man,
it
come
would
on.
never be dog food.
Jeez.
There's no way.
Let's open it. It's organically grown dog food. Come on, man. That's just regular.
What is the
dog
point of this?
That's
Okay.
dog. Okay,
Okay, come upstairs. Come upstairs.
there's just one more little piece to this puzzle.
Better not be a fucking dog up there.
Why would there be a dog up there, dude? Fucking weird, dude. If there was, I mean, there's no way we would just get a dog, or that Alex V gets you a dog, would we?
Come on in, guys. Come on in. Come on. Here we go. Woo! Look at that!
The fuck is that, man?
Look at that, dude. That's your dog!
Don't touch me!
That's your dog! Look! Look, he adopted it.
It's on record.
Shut the fuck up.
That's a legal
Yes,
binding
he's your
document.
dog, man. Congrats. Good for you.
Oh my god, I'm so happy for
You
you,
gotta
bro.
be fucking with me.
No.
Why would we be fucking with
I'm
you?
fucking
man?
a
Come
proud
on, you know,
parent.
You know how much you really... She almost likes you.
Oh, she does. That's the most I've seen her like.
Wow, she's taking a liking to you.
What's up, big girl?
It's a marriage. It's done. That's your child. She actually,
That's not...
she actually likes you. Look at it, dude.
You guys are just gonna return it the next... I'm not gonna get attached. It's cool. It's cool.